Beauty sent me this liner in Gloss Duo, so let's try it out for the first time. I don't know if I've had this shade before, but I know they sent me, I'm pretty sure, all of their lip gloss shades. I really love these because they smell really good. And I really love their lip liner formula because it just glides on. I'm excited about this shade because it's really pretty. It looks like a mauve color. It says Kind Words. Maybe I had this one before, but I'm like a mauve brown girly. And I just love how you don't have to sharpen these, because I cannot tell you how many times I get frustrated when I sharpen my other pencils and it just stabs me in the lip. It's just so annoying. So this is just really nice. The gloss is in the shade Revive. I just love how it smells. It's sweet like candy. I'm like, what does it smell like? It smells like a fruit roll-up, I think. That's what I'm getting. A fruit roll-up, or like a really sweet pink starburst, maybe. Rare Beauty also sent me their fragrance layering balm. I thought this was a lotion at first, but it's like a little gel. So it's like a perfume. You can layer it with your perfume. This one is in the floral scent, of course, and I love it. It's really nice. It's just like a light, subtle scent, nothing too crazy. I'm really picky about my florals too, because I know they can easily smell like an old lady. Like this Gucci floral perfume. My sister told me this is like an old lady in a bottle, and I was just like, how dare you? But I got this one last minute as my wedding scent, and maybe she's right, but at the same time, it's my wedding scent, so it reminds me of my wedding, and I guess I'm a little biased, but maybe I should spray this on me today. I think it'll complement the oil that I just put on. Okay, maybe it's a little old lady-ish, but I love it. Let me know in the comments if you guys have smelled this and if you think it's an old lady scent. I won't get my feelings hurt. The problem is I went shopping for a wedding scent last minute, and I just got that one because I was stressed. If I had a little bit more time, I don't know if I would have gotten that one. Welcome back to another vlog. It's Wednesday. I just finished getting ready because I have some more content to film. I'm wearing this blue gingham set because I got this blue wrap off of TikTok Shop. So I need to make content with this. I haven't worn it to a class yet, but how cute is this lace trim? It even has it on the sleeves. So I need to make a video with that. I got some floating acrylic shelves for my bathroom that I'm so excited about, because my skincare area in my bathroom, you guys, it's just been an overflowing mess for the longest time. When Mina came over last weekend, she was like, oh no, this would stress me out. She's like, you should see my sink. So I'm like, okay, yes, I need to take care of this. And I'm so excited to install them. I was thinking about asking my husband for some help, but I think I'm gonna do it myself. So I just need to figure out how far I wanna space the shelves and how many I'm gonna put up, because I have like 6, I think. And then I have some curtain rods that I need to hang out on my patio because my curtains are just like flapping in the wind. I don't know when my patio table is gonna get here. Let me double check. Is it next week? Okay, my table says it's arriving October 20th through the 27th. It's kind of far. Hopefully it comes in on the 20th on Monday. That'll be nice because it wasn't on Prime. Also, Prime Day is like kind of a scam, isn't it, you guys? Because I like took the time to make my Prime Day lists of like all of my favorites, and not everything was on sale on Prime Day. Like none of the things that I ordered for myself were on sale, so that was frustrating. I was just like, what's the point of Prime Day if like not everything is on sale? I was a little unsure of whether I liked this or not, but I think I'm just gonna scratch the video altogether because it's just too tight on the arms. The material is not it. Like, I have another wrap that I got off of TikTok Shop. This one, I don't know if it's made out of cotton or polyester, but this one is like made out of spandex or something, and it just, I don't know, it feels cheap. Whereas this one fits a lot better. It actually comes all the way down to your waist. It's just way more comfortable. This one rises up above my belly button, and it just like looks weird. It's not flattering. I love the lace trim. Like, it had so much potential, but yeah, this is just not it. So on to the floating shelves. Sometimes that just happens being a content creator. You know, you think you're gonna make an amazing video, But if I don't like something, I'm not gonna post it. So it's just so sad because like I said, I really did want to like this and it does have a lot of potential. It's just, it's a no for me. This is what I ordered and this is the idea. I just don't know how many I want to put up because I have 6. I don't know if I should do 3 or 4. 4 is kind of a lot, but let me show you what I'm dealing with, you guys. So it started out as just this little tray here and then everything just started spilling over and I have so many more things under the cabinet. I'm not even gonna open it because it's a lot. So this is really stressful, but the idea is to have the floating shelves right here. 1, 2, maybe 3. I think 4 would be too high because this thing's in the way, so I can't really do it lower than that. Just want to make sure my skincare will fit in here. Perfect. My Medicube pads fit. That's like the biggest thing that I have. Yay! It's gonna be so freaking nice. I'm just gonna measure this so I can make sure it's in the middle of the wall. Let's pray this goes well because I don't want a million holes in my wall. Oh. I think I'll just do 1 more for now and then eventually I'll end up adding a 3rd row. I thought I was gonna have enough space to get rid of all of this right here, but since I'm only doing 2 rows, I'm still gonna have some skincare right here, which is fine, but it's gonna look way less cluttered, so I'm super excited about that. Now I just need to do 1 more row. What do you guys think? I love it. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this now because it's just like some miscellaneous stuff. I think I want to move all of my body care products over from that corner to here. Perfect. It all fits perfectly. All this looks amazing. Now I need to clean up this mess. This is giving me anxiety, but yeah, it's just gonna look so much better in here. Thank the Lord, hallelujah. And then this, what is this? This is another miscellaneous tray. Wait a minute, I just had an idea. I'm like, will one of these fit right here? Or is that doing too much? If I like put a little bit of perfume or something right here, would that be too much? Maybe. I mean, it looks like it's too much because my plant's there right now, but I don't know what to do. I'm like, what is this? I'm finally all done, you guys. It looks so much better in here. I cleaned this up and my skincare. Dun, 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 the star of the show. I fit all of my body care products right here. And yeah, I'm just keeping my fan back there because I like to use it to dry my face off when I'm doing my skincare because sometimes it just takes too long. But I feel like I will use everything more now that I can see it better. I mean, some things are kind of getting lost behind other products, but...
Damn!
What do you think, babe?
Sexy.
Shut up.
It's like a spa studio in here.
Right? Should I do a 3rd shelf, you think?
Ah, damn.
It looks so good in here. I love it so much. Okay, now for the next task. Just on our evening stroll.
What's up, fan?
It's a beautiful day.
It is?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice, huh?
Hubby's gonna go to the gym
You're not
after he takes me for a walk. No, I think I'm just gonna read my book and chill. 'Cause it's an active recovery day. And by that, I mean 1 lap around the block is fine. Because I have 2 more classes this week. Thursday, we have a yoga class, and then Friday, I have another Pilates class. And I did a Pilates and yoga class Monday and Tuesday, so we're gonna be at 5 workout days this week. And next week, hopefully, we'll see how long I can keep up with it. These are what the hooks look like. I got them off of TikTok Shop. How pretty are they? I chose the gold ones. I think they had silver and black. So I'm gonna I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, you got it? Oh yeah. Happy Thursday. I went to my warm Pilates class this morning, and now I'm about to open my new air fryer. I ordered this off of TikTok Shop because there was like a $20 off coupon through QVC, and I have been eyeing this air fryer for the longest time. It's so freaking beautiful, you guys. It's blue, and you guys know my favorite color is pink, and I saw some people saying in the comments it would be perfect if it was pink, but I'm like, I think I like it better blue because I already have my pink toaster. I think a pop of blue is gonna be perfect. I just hope it's not too small. If it's too small, then I'm gonna send it back. So let's unbox her together. I'm so freaking excited. Don't mind my hair, it's a little wet because I tried to refresh it. I should have tried to refresh it before my makeup. I'm usually good about doing that to give it some time to dry, but anyways, I did my makeup first today and I made myself a little coffee. I feel like these coffees don't even really do anything for me, so I just drink it for the flavor. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. I'm actually gonna film a video for TikTok too, so let me set that up. I also got my curtain rod set up last night. It just got really dark, so I couldn't really show you guys, but it just looks so much better. I'll show you. My curtains aren't flapping in the wind anymore. I just tied them to the rods, and it just looks beautifully draped to the side, even if it's windy a year later. Look, you guys. Didn't I tell you it was gonna be gorgeous? She is so beautiful. I mean, maybe it's a good thing that it's a little bit smaller because I need something that's just not gonna take up so much counter space. So we'll see. Oh. Okay, so the basket looks decent. It's a decent size. This is what she looks like all set up. I just need to wash it real quick because I was just reading the directions and it says to wash it and then run it for like 15 minutes. Of course it's aesthetic, but it needs to be just as functional. So it has all of these options up here. I'm noticing there's not a power button, so maybe it just stays on while it's plugged in. Seems pretty easy to use. There's French fries. What is that? Maybe shellfish. What is this? Onion rings, pizza, fish, muffins, shrimp. What is this? Bread? I have no idea. I need to read the instructions a little bit longer and figure out how to use this thing. She's all prepped and ready to go. I will keep you guys posted on how she works. And yeah, I think it's gonna be the perfect size because the other basket was almost too big. It's just my husband and I, so I think it's perfect. And this is how the curtain hooks came out. I just wrapped them around. I didn't even end up tying them because wrapping them does the trick, but it just looks so much nicer. It's 7 p.m. I spent the last couple of hours editing and now it's time for dinner. So let's try out the air fryer for the first time. We're gonna do some breaded chicken cutlets. I get these from Wegmans. My husband and I just discovered these a couple of months ago and oh my freaking gosh, they do not taste like they're frozen at all. They taste so juicy and the breading is still crispy, so we love having this on like our cheat day when we're not doing regular unbreaded chicken. They fit perfectly. And let's do 22 minutes. Perfect. We only have 4 more minutes. Sorry it's really loud, but I wanted to show you guys this workout set. Well, it's like a one piece that I got off of TikTok Shop. So I have it in 2 other styles, the same color from the same brand, but this one is a little bit different because it has like a little cutout halter top moment right here and it looks so cute. I haven't tried it on yet, but I plan on wearing it tomorrow to my mat Pilates class. And I feel like it's gonna look so freaking cute. I don't think it's gonna be a bust like that Pilates wrap that I tried on was, because like I said, I've tried this on before in different cuts, and I just like how it covers everything and it's still flattering. It has the flared bell bottoms on the bottom, and yeah, it has the lace in the front. This is so freaking cute. It has little padding right here. So I'm so excited to wear this tomorrow. I'm gonna do a little morning routine. I made myself some sleepy time tea from Trader Joe's. It's called Well Rested. I'm trying to get back into drinking tea because I kind of fell off for a while. Looks delish. I'm gonna drizzle some hot honey on it because it just makes everything better. Because the sun's been going down earlier, it feels like it's 9 or 10 p.m., but it's only 7:30. I'm just ready for daylight savings to be here so I can feel a little bit better about the time. It'll just match up a little bit more with how light it is outside, because right now I'm just like, what is going on? I feel like I'm getting ready for bed super early, which I'm not mad about it. It's nice, but I don't know, I feel a little off. Alexa said daylight savings is November 2nd, so we're almost there. I'm eating right now, so I'm not gonna show you, but this Rare Beauty lip liner, you guys, it holds up. Like, it is staying put. I'm just so used to eating my lip liner off, but I've had multiple meals and it's still there. So if you guys haven't tried Rare Beauty's lip liner, this is your sign to try it out, because I'm telling you, it's really good. The lasting power is amazing. We're only halfway through October and I feel like I'm already ready to start decorating for Christmas. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I'm ready to full send Christmas decor all over my apartment, but I have to wait another couple of weeks for Halloween to pass. But you best believe on November 1st, the bows, the tree, I mean, my tree's already up in my room, but the tree's coming out into the living room, and I'm just so excited for Christmas content. Fall content is fun, but I don't know, Christmas content just hits different. So I'm gonna end the vlog here and start a new one next week. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.